Let's take a peek. Nope.
Nope. Dude.
Oh, I thought it was a video. Son of a bitch. A little chillier than it was earlier this week. 5 years apart. Apparently I'm an old grandpa. I'm a half-paw. Alright, time to hit the road. We'll see you on the next one.
Hey.
Hey everybody.
Hopefully you can hear us.
Hopefully. Hey, watch out for your foot.
Almost rolled my ankle.
So, late start tonight? That's alright. Getting started. Already had the fire started.
Cooking over the fire tonight.
Yep. Gotta do some nachos in the cast iron skillet. Well, cast iron Dutch oven.
Yeah.
So, we'll see how that turns out. We'll keep you updated.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Something different.
Chance of rain later tonight.
Oh, really?
Tonight and in the morning, I think.
Oh.
I don't think we'll need too many green onions.
I think just one.
Yeah, I'll
two.
say one, maybe two.
We'll just do that. Okay. Did you want to cook some onion, onion with the meat, or do you want raw onion?
Raw onion, I'm thinking.
Okay. Because then we have these and green onions and...
Few lingering mosquitoes out, but not too many. Not like in weeks past.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This knife is not very sharp. It's just tearing up the tomato.
We don't use that knife very often.
I know. That's why I'm like really confused as to why it's not sharper. And you're a no-go for avocado, right?
Yeah, that I do not want.
So that I will cut up later because I don't want it to go brown on me. So that'll be a last resort. Plus it's got to thaw because it was in the ice. Whoops. Ooh, that is very good. Thank you.
Good, you're welcome.
Okay. Well, should we start the meat?
That's what I'm thinking.
Evening out.
Hear the nice sizzle of the meat. Some homemade taco seasoning. What we'll do is we'll put the recipe up on the screen for you guys. Definitely saves a lot of money compared to buying those little packets at the store. Just add a little bit of water and simmer.
You want a little bit more, or is that good?
I think a little more.
The eyes are burning. A few icicles, ice pieces, those will melt.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the aluminum foil we have.
We'll make it work.
So, I don't know, like this. So that way there's like air between the bottom and the chips.
I think so.
So that way it doesn't burn.
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like...
No, I think that's a good idea.
I really don't want to burn the chips.
Alright, meat's all done. A little more water left. Time to layer. Now what were you thinking for the vegetables? Onions, tomatoes. Every layer or only on top?
Yeah.
Every layer? Okay.
I'll save those ones for the top only, but...
Hey, look, a little leftover cheese from our last trip.
I haven't seen that yet.
Chips were a Ridge wallet.
You're right? Jeez.
I guess I'm glad I brought the Dutch oven versus I thought about grabbing our pan that we normally use at home.
No, I wanted the Dutch oven because the pan has the leather handle and it already is crispy, so I have a feeling we're gonna have leftover nachos. We'll be very, very full tonight. Okay. Should we go with the rest of it?
Yeah, just dump it on.
Final layer. This looks amazing. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
I think it's a squirrel up in the tree.
Could be. Ah, fucking mosquitoes. They don't normally go after me. I'm confused as to why
I'm not sure.
I'm their favorite today, but I'm over it. You son of a bitch! And I gotcha. You want that in the nachos? Stupid thing. Oh, this looks beautiful.
It really does.
Are you kidding me right now?
Should save this for when we go camping with the girls, but
Yeah, but there's chunkies in it, so Lily would need it.
all right, let's take a peek. Nope.
Nope.
Take two. Are we ready?
Oh, look at that.
I think we might be ready.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're good. Wow. Beautiful.
Campfire nachos. I don't even know how to.
I don't either.
Got no chips. Oh gosh. There we go. Sure. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna add some avocado and cowboy caviar to mine. Oh, you know what would have been good with this? The hot sauce at home.
That's right.
Dang it.
You know, let's go that way. Just take a whole layer.
Just take a whole layer. Well, this looks delicious, love.
Yes, it does.
I feel like the pot could go back over the fire.
Right?
Keep it warm. For not knowing what to do for dinner and doing something that we've never done before, this is great.
Mm-hmm. I feel like a toddler.
Have like lots of toppings and no chips. There we go. I wish we had like a Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
I don't think we do.
Mm-mm.
The other option, the foil is folded. You could maybe unfold it and like make it into like a tinfoil swan.
It's not gonna. I don't think there's enough room for a swan, but
You know what I mean, though.
yeah, those are broken chips.
Mhm. Yeah, well, there's some broken ones. This was really good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad we layered it like lasagna.
I think we need to do more cheese at the bottom than on top because I had a lot of cheese. It was holding everything together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree. More cheese in the middle bits.
Mm-hmm.
But that was good. I would totally make this again.
Mm-hmm.
When we have more people with us.
Yeah. Need at least 3 to 4 people.
Mm-hmm. Totally make that at home.
Do you want to try our new flavor drink of the night?
Oh, sure. I'm going to attempt to...
Wrap that first? Okay. The camera slightly. There you go. Get all the good bits on video.
Crispy cheese. I love crispy cheese. I don't know. Should I like wipe my plate and do it on the plate?
Probably.
Probably a good idea.
Another one?
Doesn't need to be perfectly clean.
Okay.
Just mildly clean. That's still rather hot. Now you guys can see what I'm attempting to do here. Folded it under in 3 layers to try to not get the chips to burn, which it worked perfectly, but that can't go in the cooler. So we're going to try and finagle this into, there we go. Hey, there we go. Look at that. It's all contained in the foil. And this can go in the basket in the Yeti. Won't get waterlogged, and we won't have to try and fit a Dutch oven in the Yeti.
No.
Because that would not happen. Okay. After dinner drink on tonight's menu.
Rum chata. Pineapple cream. Oh, sounded interesting.
These kids sound like they're killing each other across the way. Why all the screaming? I don't know how we're going to clean that because I don't have anything abrasive to scrub it with besides the tinfoil that's in the cooler full of nachos.
Salt.
It's like baked on cheese, love.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, there's like 2 spots of where the cheese got like cooked onto the side.
Gotcha.
So, I know we never do this, but this might be a wait till we get home and scrub it kind of deal.
Yeah.
Because the cast iron skillet scrubber is at home.
Mm-hmm.
Because we never used it in the truck, so I put it in the house. Use it at the house more. Well, in instances like this, I suppose it would have been a good idea to have.
Probably.
Oh well.
Ooh, that lid's crusty.
It is. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, it is. Rum chata pineapple cream combines premium Caribbean rum and real Midwestern cream with a tropical burst of fresh pineapple taste. Best enjoyed within 6 months after opening. Oh boy. Ooh. I hope this is better than that other stuff you got. Though it was moonshine, so I suppose it's allowed to taste like jet fuel.
Right.
I can't open it. Too weak.
Yeah, that stuff's still sitting in our fridge. I forgot.
Mm-hmm. I was so surprised you wanted to get this. I'm like, we already have something that's creamy.
Rum chata is usually pretty good. It's a little smooth.
Mm-hmm.
More smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Did you shake it at all?
I did.
Okay.
Does it smell like a candle? What?
Like a white rain shampoo.
Oh no, does it really? I know it's pineapple flavored, but why does it remind me of like the coconut shampoo?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, rum chata, I guess, is coconut flavored, but like, you know what I mean? Does it taste better than it smells, or does it taste like it smells?
No, it tastes way better because this isn't, it's smoother. It's less alcohol.
We're going to have no problem finishing this in 6 months.
Mm-hmm. You got that on camera? Dog poop.
Dog poop. Damn near took me out yesterday.
Yeah. I'm sure there's some on the bottom of mine.
It was so slick. I literally almost fell. To be fair, like, that's not that bad considering what was on my shoe.
True.
And I didn't get them wet to clean it. Mostly.
Yeah.
I stepped in a puddle and wiped my shoes in grass. So, for that to be what's left, that ain't bad.
No.
Stupid dog shit. Chasing after a chicken. Story of my life. How will I die? Slipping on dog shit chasing a chicken.
Probably.
Huh?
So I see a little beetle that's reflecting light, but I don't see any, like...
I think it could be bugs.
It might be.
I thought it was bugs that were making that noise.
Spider webs. Oh, that's a thick one.
You better check yourself for spiders before you crawl into bed.
Nah, I'm good. What?
Nothing.
Alright. Headed to bed soon. Not sure if we're going to watch something on Netflix or YouTube at this point. It's dark out. Heard some coyotes earlier.
That was a first. I don't think I've ever heard coyotes here before.
No, I don't think so either. So, that was interesting.
Have a tiny little field mouse next to the truck.
Yes, we do.
In the bushes.
Kid had jumped out trying to get a look at him and scared.
Spooked it.
Yep.
Knocked over my Yeti and spooked it. It was so sad. It was like as big as his thumb.
Yeah, it was not very big at all.
I mean, you have a big thumb, but like, that's a small mouse.
It is. Yeah, I guess we will catch up with you guys in the morning.
Yeah, we're full of nachos and beans. You're welcome.
Yep. So, I don't think anything interesting is going to happen. So, probably just update you in the morning.
Good night.
Night.
Going home.
Bright and early.
He's going to work.
Yep. Somebody called in, so we had to pack up. I get to go work. Yeah, it took us less than half an hour to pack up.
I packed up while he got dressed.
Yeah. So, short video. No exploration today.
Nope.
Yeah.
Not awake yet.
Nope. Here.
We see like 10 turkeys and a deer on the way out. And we're not even out of the park yet. I was sleeping so good too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's another one. Hi, Mama. So pretty. Oh,
This is a short video.
that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed our dinner, because that's all the video is going to be, is us eating campfire nachos.